In this video I will show you how you can reset your chart to default on Exness. So there are a couple of ways how you can do it. So let's say you have your chart messy like this one, you have a couple of indicators, drawings, and you want to get it to default chart. So firstly what you can do, you can right click anywhere on the chart and then click on reset chart view. And this will basically reset your chart view. So when you are like zoom out like this and you're gonna click it, it will reset to basic view. And this is the first option. Now if you want to, let's say, remove all those things, you can remove them one by one. You don't want to have this relative strange index. You can click on those three dots next to it and then remove, and it will remove this specific indicator. And let's say you want to remove everything, you can hover your mouse over this trash can, then click on this arrow next to it, and from here you have options what you want to remove. So you can remove only drawing, only indicators, or remove everything, so one drawing and three indicators. So if I click on it, as you can see, my chart is clean, and this is how you can reset chart to default on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.